Alright, so here we are. Grabe ang ganda ng pinalit. Tadaan! Para siyang bago. Galing. Ito kasi original na balat. So, sobrang tibay niya. Kahit yung swelas, bumigay na. Hindi pa rin bumigay yung ano. Galing talaga ng Marikina made. Certified quality. So yeah, gaya ng sabi ko, para tayong mga sapatos lang. Lahat tayo, pupunta rin sa dulo, may hangganan. But of course, we're going to be renewed. We're going to be renewed when we go to our Lord Jesus Christ. And of course, lahat sa atin, excited na doon pumunta sa heaven. We still have more things to do, fortunately, sa mundong ito, which is to glorify our Lord Jesus Christ. Because blessed are those who doesn't see and yet believe. So yeah, even though we haven't seen Him physically or literally, we know and we believe that He is alive and He is our God. So yeah, yun lang naman, update lang. Hindi ko sa nastigan lang ako.